When I click that, it's going to bring up, you'll see the comment pane on the right, but also the new annotation pane on the left. So annotations in SharePoint and OneDrive. So I'm going to go into my SharePoint site in my OneDrive, and I'm going to look at a couple files that I have in here. I have a couple PDF files and an AI file. The first thing I'm going to show you is this PDF file. So when I open up this PDF file, it's going to load in the modern file viewer, and you're going to see in the top left, I have this toolbar, and in that toolbar, I have this pen icon. If I hover over it, you're going to see it says Show Annotations. When I click that, it's going to bring up, you'll see the comment pane on the right, but also the new annotation pane on the left. So we have our choice area, and then we have the pen, the highlighter, and the eraser. When I click into the pen, it will pull up the selected colors I can choose and the size that I would want to use. So I could take this and let's go a red pen, let's make it a pretty large red pen, and let's say I don't want to have this word SharePoint, we're going to call it something else, we're probably going to call it Copilot, and say a comment that says, make sure we update these details based on my annotations. So I can actually work similar to Office comments, similar to collaborating with content with people, which is a highly used feature if I'm in Word or PowerPoint. You can take this all natively in the file viewer. So what happens is there's actually an overlay on the file. I'm not actually overwriting the file or taking that content, and let's say if you wanted to block some of that out and say I don't want to see it, it doesn't actually remove that. It's showing and hiding an overlay on top of that file that's stored inside of SharePoint and OneDrive.